The given structure gives information about a library layout. Different kinds of sections such as the study area, computer stations, lounge area and reading area can be observed from the image. On the left hand side of the image there is a big room which is also called a reading area, and on the left side there is also a lounge area. In the center of the image there is a section for study area and a reception desk where you can also ask for different kinds of information from the receptionist. Similarly, there is a section for computer stations and also there is a section for bookshelves where you can store and also read different kinds of books as a library. Overall, the image gives information about different kinds of layout.
The given image provides information about a library layout. In the right hand side of the picture we can see a bookshelves. In the left hand side of the picture we can see lounge area and reading area. Reading area is quite large in rectangular shape. In the middle of the building we can see computer stations, reception desk and a study area. The largest part of the building, which is bookshelf, is parallelly highlighted. Overall the picture provides sufficient information about library layout.
This picture gives us information about library layout. It also shows different objects such as lounge area and reading area. In the middle of the picture, you can see computer station and reception desk. The main color of the picture is white, however, gray and black are also visible. And on the other hand, bookshelves and a study area are also visible.
The blueprint provides the information about a library layout. The shape of the picture is a square. On the left hand side is a reading area and a lounge area are available in this picture, and in the right hand side is the books are available in this picture, and in the center area study area, reception desk and computer stations are available in this picture. There are some colors, some numbers are available in this picture clicked at the daytime. Overall the picture is very impressive.
The picture is mainly about of the library layout. On the left side of the picture there is a reading area and lounge area. On the right side of the picture bookshelves are there. On the center part of the picture there is a study area, reception desks and computer stations. From the picture it is clear that reading area takes the largest part of the library layout and the study area and the reception desk takes the lower space. To conclude, the picture is very informative and very interesting and gives a summary about the library layout.
The display flowchart gives the information about library layout, while axis talks about reading area and x-axis talks about computer station. As we can observe, the study area is the first step. On the other hand, background is the second last step, and another eye-catching point in the long area is the second last important step. Overall, the library layout is very informative.
The given layout gives information about a library layout. Different kinds of things such as the study area, reading area, lounge, computer statistics, and bookshelves can be observed from the image. On the left hand side of the image, there is a big area where it calls a reading area where people can sit and read. Similarly, there is also a lounge area in order to have dinner or lunch. In the center of the image, there is a study area and also a reception desk where you can also get different kinds of information. There is also a section for computer statistics, and bookshelves are also there where you can also read different kinds of books as well as you can loan if you need it. Overall, the image gives information about a beautiful library layout where different people can enjoy.
The given picture mostly gives information about the library layout. In the left side, there is a reading area in rectangular shape. In the bottom, there is a language area in rectangular shape. In the top, there is a study area in rectangular shape. There is in the middle, there is a reception desk in a rectangular shape. In the bottom, there is a square shape in computer station. In the right side, there is a bookshelves in rectangular shape. It is all about the map of library layout.
This picture gives information about a library layout. At the right side of the picture, there are bookshelves. At the center, we can see study area as well as reception desk. It also shows computer stations. At the left side of the picture, we can see reading area and lounge area. The connection between reading area and lounge area is also important to conclude the data points to library layout.
This photo gives information about library layout. It also shows different objects such as reading area and lounge area. The main object of the photo is study area. However, reception desk and computer stations are also shown. The connection between square and rectangle are also important. In the middle of the photo, I can see bookshelves. However, reception desk and study area are also important.
This picture shows library layout. In the left side, you can see the reading area and the lounge area, while at the center, you can also see reception desk. Moreover, at the top of it, there's a study area, and at the bottom part of reception desk is the computer stations. There is also bookshelves on the right side of the layout. This is a very informative implication of the layout of the library. This talks about library.
The given graph shows information about the library layout. From the library layout, I can show the different types of the room like reading area, lodge area, computer stations, reception desk, study area, and a book receiver. So from this book receiver, it's a top highest and top longest area because all books are storing in the bookstore area, and also one is the study area, so you can study on that area, and the one of the it is biggest area, it is the reading area, so you can read all the books from the reading area, and also it's a lounge area for the eating anything, and also reception desk you are asked the questions about the books and for the reading, and the computer station is the you can search on the website on the computer station.
The image is about a library layout. In this image, there are different elements such as reading area, lounge area, computer station, reception desk, study area, and bookshelves. On the east side of the library layout, there is a bookshelves, which is the largest area, and in the west side of the area, there is a reading area and the lounge area. Furthermore, in the center of the area, there is a computer station. Above that, there is a reception desk. Reception desk is also the lowest area, and there is the study area, which is the in the top of the study area. Overall, this image is very informative and provides information on study layout.